Okay, this is your lab assessment, okay? Lab test term 1, okay? And I'm gonna run through this procedure and show you videos, and you will be asked questions about it when it's over, okay? So right now, the first step is that we need to label and mass a 100 to 150 milliliter beaker. I have called that beaker number 1, okay? It's got a 1 right here on it. And I would write that down in your procedure on that first line that it's called beaker 1. And the mass of it, you might be able to see the mass of it, but I will read it out for you. It is 66.740. 66.740 is the mass. And I am going to set that scale ahead to 68.740 so that I can put some nickel chloride into the beaker, okay? I want you to see the nickel 2 chloride. It is a green substance, and I'm going to put enough in so that it will mass 2 grams. Okay, and it's still a little heavy. Not perfectly even, so I'm going to pull a little bit more out to see if we can get it to be perfectly 2 grams. Again, it's a little heavy, so I'm going to pull a little more out. And there it is reading 2 grams. And again, this is what it looks like. Beaker number 1 has nickel 2 chloride in it, okay? Now, I happen to have another scale set up with my second beaker, okay? And this is called beaker number 2, as you can see here. And beaker number 2 has a mass of 66.35 grams. 350, and it is beaker number 2. And in this beaker, I am going to put 2 grams of sodium phosphate. So I'm going to set it ahead 2 grams to 68.35 and put sodium phosphate in until it evens out. You can see the sodium phosphate is a white powder, and you can maybe see it better from here. And I've got a little bit too much. I'm going to take a little bit out. Still a little heavy. Okay, it's a little light, so just add a little bit more. Again, I want 2 grams of each reactant. Okay, so beaker number 2 has 2 grams of sodium phosphate in it.